Just like, now you don't need the clip.
Hello, everyone. Learning target 5, unit circle trig. Woo! Miss Oshier.
And Miss LaHart.
And here we go. So, given a point on the circle or given trig ratio, I can identify all 6 trigonometric ratios.
Okay. So basically, we'll give you a point.
Hey, there it is.
You graph it. So if you click, I'm pretty sure.
Click.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. So remember, negative 3, 7. This negative doesn't have anything to do. It just gives you direction. So it's saying you're going left 3 and up 7. It's giving you that coordinate. This distance is 3, not negative 3. Just want to remind you of that.
So according to that triangle, we've got to find all the values, and use your good old Pythagorean theorem.
I love it.
Boom. Boom.
Bam.
Square root of 58, but work with it. Don't go decimal.
No.
Okay.
Don't go decimal.
So now we just have to, your reference angle will be your theta. That's important. There's your reference angle.
That will always come from the origin. So it will never be up here. It will always stem from the origin.
Out, and it'll be a reference angle connected to the x-axis. Oh no, is it all?
White stuff
there
just
we
popped
go.
up. So O and H.
Oh, A.
Or excuse me, O and A. This is H. There we go. So it's opposite over hypotenuse. We need to rationalize that bad boy.
Ooh, there we go. And I'm just emphasizing that, remember, sine is positive in the second quadrant, so that's why I put a plus, just to emphasize.
Do not forget, this negative just has to do with direction, and then it tells you cosine's negative, all that stuff.
All right, so the next
real quick
one.
with rationalizing, this will always happen if it's a monomial.
Yep.
So if you have just something over a radical, it will always turn into that whatever that something is times the radical over the number without the radical.
Yep. I think I do the reciprocal because it's just easy. You just have to flip the original.
Yeah, go back to the original. Make your life easier.
Because it's reciprocal. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so we're going to get the negative 3 over radical 5/8 because cosine's negative. Rationalizing looks like that.
Boom.
Go to the original and flip it. Now tangent's the easy one.
It's just y over x. So the y coordinate is 7, the x coordinate is negative 3. So boom, there you go. Cotangent, flip it.
And that's all there is to it.
We are masters.
Now this is a different type of situation. So they give you a trig ratio. They tell you that cosine of theta is negative 8/17, and cotangent is positive. Greater than 0 means positive.
We got a lot of information.
So we have to figure out, where are we? Which quadrant are we in?
Right. So remember, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, but we need to figure out where to put that triangle. We don't know where to put it just yet. So that's why this part's important. Where is cotangent positive?
I think this wait again. Okay, so cosine, remember, is positive in the first.
Sorry.
Nicely done. So first and fourth, it's positive. So we're either looking in the second or the third.
Because it's negative, so it means cosine's not positive. Cosine's not positive.
Okay, and then we have cotangent being positive. I know that tangent and cotangent are positive in third, so we know we're in 3.
Boom. So that's definitely the third quadrant here. It just should have popped up right there. But we're in the third quadrant. Focus on the origin. So then remember, this is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we look at the reference angle here.
Oh, the 8 and the 17 should have popped up, but I think they're in white.
Yeah, they're in white. So, so we are here. The 8 should go here because this is the adjacent side. The 17 should go here because it's the hypotenuse. And then you use Pythagorean theorem. You remember to substitute 17 in for the hypotenuse, and you solve for 15. So we now have 8, 15, and 17. Some of you might not need to do Pythagorean theorem for some of these because you just know that they're common Pythagorean triples.
Oh, there they are.
Fine. Hey!
Sometimes things work for me.
I don't know what 17 is.
I don't know. Yep. Okay, so sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so that's why you're getting negative 15 over 17.
Flip it.
17 over 15.
Boom. Cosine is it's already there.
Yep.
Flip it. Boom. Tangent is y over x, so 15 over 8. Flip it. Cotangent. Boom.
And that's all there is to it.
That's it, everybody. So we will see you all in class. Have a fantastic day.